Good day, sir. This is the website that I choose to copy for the activity you assign us. The Uber Eats. To start, first let's open the NetBeans. Since I've already opened the NetBeans, after opening the NetBeans, first you need to create a file, get a project name, the class, and etc. After creating them, you will end up with this. This is my finish. This is the finish output. So this is the output. The output that I copy. The copy what I've copied. So I'm going to create another one exactly like this one. First I'm going to create another Gframe form. Then I'm going to create a sign up. Sign up. Sign up 3 since I have 2 sign up 1 the class name will be sign up 1, then finish. Okay, first I'm going to extend this frame, Java frame, extend it to the bottom. I think it's good. I'm going to make this layout as absolute. After creating like then I'm going to add a panel. Since you can edit the background of a panel. I'm going this panel will serve to be the black background. This black background. This one. This black. First I'm going to I think that's fine. Then I'm going to go to go to properties and go to background. Double click sobra na. Close. Then here you go. Extend if you want to. Then I'm going to add a JLabel for this what do you call this? Is like a title over Eats, the name of the web. So first I'm going to create the Uber, this first word, since for the other label I'll be creating another JLabel because it needs to be the words needs to be new green. I need to change the color. First I'm going to go to properties. Properties. Going to change the text to Uber. Okay, then the font size, I think that's good. Then I'll make it bold, then maybe 18, 24 is good. Close. Sorry, forgot the font color. Make it white so it will be seen. Here you go, Uber. Close. Then and I'm going to put another JLabel for the another word, it is the it. I'm just going to delete it. I'm just going to copy this first J label, so I don't have to resize again. Paste. Perfect. Then go to properties. Change the background to it's still black, so just the font color, which is, I think it's a green. Font foreground, which is foreground green. I think maybe this one. Then the text, what was the text? Eats. There you go. I'm sorry, by the way, forgot to, it's not all capitalized, so I'm just going to go back to text. This one, and then there you go. Uber Eats. Just have a little bit space, but that's not yellow green. It's more like, what color is that? I think it's a green, but it's a little bit, I think this one. Closer. Then let's create this, what do you call this? I think it's called, what was that? I forgot. Text pane. Editor pane. This is before you create, let's create another panel here. Let's extend it down. Then let's set up the set layout to absolute layout. Okay, there you go. Before you put, first I will have to put this label. Let's add label, extend the label. Let's go to properties. Let's go to text. Just going to copy paste this word. Then paste. Okay, then let's go to font. Make it 24 for a little bit big. Okay, I'm going to check. So it's a little bit larger. I'm going to reduce the font size to font. There you go. Font. I'm going to make it 18. Let's see. That fits. Then I'm going to just decrease it a little bit. Then I'm going to add the editor pane. Then let's input this, enter phone number and email. Sorry, edit text, what's that? Text, enter phone number or email. Okay, close there. I'm just going to you don't have to extend it. Just go to properties, adjust the font to maybe 14, 12. I think 12 is better. For the font color, let's make it, since it's a little bit light gray, maybe this one. Close. Then I'm just going to try to run it. I'm sorry, I didn't check the java.bin. Just go here, sign up, costume. Since I create another one, which is the sign up one, this one. Select main class, okay. Then click F6 or this green button like an arrow at triangle. Something's missing. Forgot to make this a little bit whiter. Wait, just going to background. Just click it multiple times to make it like this. So let's run again. There you go, much better. X, and let's proceed to continue. So this one is a button because you need to click on it. So what I'm going to do is just going to add a button GUI, extend, enlarge, edit text. What was that? Continue. Edit text, go to properties, text, continue. Okay. Then let's go to font. Make it 14, I think. I think that's better than what's that? Oh, a white font and a black background. So let's make the font white here. This one, the foreground. Click it. Okay, then for the background, just click here for the background, then choose black. And okay, then close. It just seems white when you're still in the NetBeans, but if you run it, it will turn black like this. See, it will turn black. Next is this line, and then they are. So this line, to create this line is you need to add a separator. Put it here. Extend. Copy. Paste. I am so sorry. Control Z. It's a little, it's more easier if you just click another. Oh, it's gone. Where is the separator? Here, separator. Extend, decrease, this one extend a little bit. Then for the sorry, there you what's happening? Extend. Then let's add a label here, so we can input let's go to properties, text, change the label to, or since it's like gray color, let's make it this one. Okay, close, and then voila. I'm not going to perfect this since I've already made the original. This is my original output. I'm just recreating it. So I think I leave it that way for the time. So I'll make the time shorter. So if you run this, it will just be like this. Almost the same. Then next, these three are also GUI buttons. See, you can see that the cursor is pointing going to be what do you call this? It's a button. So let's add 3 GUI buttons just like that. Extend, expand, just copy, paste, paste, move, oh sorry, design, move, oi, there you go. I'm just going to go to properties and make it input the text, the new text name, which is the continue with Google. Continue text, continue with Google. Okay, close. There you go. The font size, forgot to change the font size to, I think 14 is enough. Yes. Properties, change the J button name to continue Apple. Continue with, forgot the with Apple. Change it to font size 14. There you go. For the last one, then what was that? Continue with Facebook. So continue with Facebook. Okay. And then for the font size, still 14. For me, it seems like if I'm just going to copy these buttons, seems like lame since there's no color. So what I'm going to do is just going to add a little bit color, like this, like what my final output is. Also, never mind. My final output was, where is it? Sign up, go to set comparison costume. I think it was the Daugan to Java select main class. Then if you run it, so the continue with Google was still white, black, and blue. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to sit back. So sign up. Okay, then where is it? There you go. Just going to minimize this one. I forgot the or. There was an or. Yes. Going to put another what do you call this? This separator. Where's separator? Oh, just a little bit clumsy. There you go. Decrease it a little bit. Again, sir, I'm not going to make it perfect since I've already made my final output. I'm just redoing it for the video. Make it or enter, go to properties, make it a light gray, gray, not light gray, it's gray. Then after that is the login with QR code. Login with QR code is still what do you call this, J button. So I'm just going to add another button. No, I'm not going to add, I'm just going to copy this one, paste, just move down, drag down. I forgot to change the color, sorry. Go to properties, make it black since it's Apple. I'm going to just make it plain white for the I'm just going to make it white na lang, a plain white, this one, close. And for Facebook, it's not really blue, but it's like I think this one. So let's check. I'm just going to run for a bit, then just going to check. I forgot the font color for the Apple, since my background is black and my font color is black, it's not visible. So I'm just going to back to properties, foreground, change it to white. Okay, close. I'm going to run again, and voila. So the the last part is this. It's like just text. So what I did to make this the right exact sentence in each, the exact text display in the website, what I did was add a label, extend, copy, Control V for paste, move, Control V again, and just like that. Okay, then just going to rename it to, just going to copy here, so it will not take, paste, SMS, tab, paste, and then the over provided. Since as you can see it's a gray, the font color here is gray, so I'm just going to make it gray. I'm going to properties, the foreground, I think this, no, this one is the right color. Close, properties, go to foreground, same. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a little bit dark, lighter. Okay, same goes here. Go to properties, change the color to foreground. Here. Okay, close. And then since there's another two sentence here, one in sentence exactly, but there's a two layers. I'm just going to make it again, just going to copy this, paste, move a little bit, paste again, drag down, just going to copy here the words here, paste, and then the the policy and apply, paste, enter, then here you go. Just going to minimize this one. So this is the output that I remake. This is the final output of it. Run, There's a lot of errors, but I did it just to make my video faster. But my final output is this one, this Daugan2.java class. To run that, just go to sign up, go to set configuration, customize, then set this main class to this one, since this is the Daugan2.java, since this is my final output. Just going to browse, go to Daugan2, select main class. Okay, then when you click the run again, this will be the one will be running, and not this what I remake. So this one. So when you click F6 or this arrow, this is my output. To test my output, just going to enter my email, normal@gmail.com. I'm sorry, normal.daugan@gmail.com, and that's all. All I can do is type yet, since the continue buttons have no functions yet assigned. So maybe in a time comes when I learn much, I can add the functions of it. So if you want to add a function of it, just double click this and it will direct you to the code. This is the design. So when you click here, this is source. The source is where the codes were designed. So to make you faster finding the code, just double click what you have input, just the GUI button, just like a GUI button. You just double click and then it will automatically show the exact place where this GUI code plays. So that's all, sir. Thank you. Sorry, I forgot to what's that? To ipagkumpara, sir, ba? Ipagkumpara. So I'm just going to run this one, minimize the NetBeans and the link. So the header here over it's a little bit far, but still I'm still learning the what's your phone here, number or email, enter number or email, the continue button, the continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook. Here again is the, what do you call this? Then the GUI button, still GUI button with no functions. That's all, sir. Thank you.